Hey beauty bears, welcome back to another video on my channel. Just before I jump into this video, I want to give a big shout out to the following persons who have recently subscribed to my channel. I can't quite see you guys names, but I just want to show my appreciation to y'all. Thank you guys so very much for subscribing to my channel. So today is in another bright set of nails. Today was not a good day, obviously, judging by how the applications was happening. Just not good. But at the end of the day, it came out okay. The nails were okay. But if you guys do think that the nails came out okay, just like this video and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Bia Beauty Services, because I post over there. So I'll be using a botch color. If you guys aren't aware, I mixed some colors way back. I didn't use them so much because the quality was not that great. It was patchy, it was streaky, it was marbling, it was just doing a whole bunch of stuff. And since I have use my own money to purchase these things to create the product, yeah, and it did not come out well. I didn't want to waste it, so I decided that okay, this is the perfect video to use it. But thank God that I did that. But the original plan was to use the Mia Secret citrus. If you guys aren't aware, I did a swatch video on the Mia Secret fruities collection. This come out from how long? I just get a chance to review them, to swatch them, and I thought that the collection was bomb.com. I gave the my result, what do you call it, the reviews on the when I was in the swatch, that they were okay. I got some marbling, which you're going to expect. Not all acrylics are going to come out great, but I was satisfied with knowing that. And because I have attempted to making acrylic colors by myself, I mean, it will happen. But yeah, it is what it is. But when I applied the Mia Secret Citrus on the thumb, it was quite streaky. It was marbling. It was doing a whole lot, and I decided that nope, I don't want to use this color today. I mean, it might be in my mind that this color looked the way that it did, but I decided that I was not going to follow through with this color. It's on my thumb, very gorgeous looking on, and doing this voice over. It was very gorgeous, but the streakiness and the marbling that was happening in the video, in the swatch video, I had said that there was some form of marbling happening, but it was not that quite great. But since I had applied it to my nails, I saw streaking, I saw marbling, just saw whole stuff. Those were the two main stuff. Application was good. I'm not gonna say that the acrylic was bad. Application was good, but the streaking and the marbling was not happening for me today, and I was just having a bad nail day. I didn't have an idea of what I wanted for this video. I had a nail crisis for 2 to 3 days where I couldn't record. I couldn't come up with anything in my headspace as to what I wanted for this nail video, and I decided, okay, alright, today is the day that I'm going to record a video for my YouTube channel. Anyway, how it won't go, that's how it was going to go. But at the end of the day, it came out, pretty okay. I was okay with the end results. There's a lot of stuff. As I said, it was a nail crisis. I never wanted to do such long nails. Neither did I wanted to do tapered long nails. It was just a whole mess. But at the end of the day, guys, the nails came out very, 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 very great. The thing with me is that I have high expectations with my nails whenever I'm doing them, and then I don't know. I don't know. I have this, sudden burst of, yes, this is what I want to do. And then when I lay it out on the nail, it's just an epic feel. But as I said, it is what it is. You live and you learn. Yes. So also one of my problem is that the camera is placed in an awkward position for me, so I'm not able to show you guys the full view. But I guess some of you guys like that. You guys don't have any issues with that. So as you can see, the pinky and the ring finger is just regular nails. As I said, I was feeling the design today, so I decided to kind of calm it down. With the other two nails, I did some negative nails. The thumb was basic. I did the neon color and then add some glitters. In the negative nails, I'll be using some glitter and some chunky orangish yellowish glitter in it. Bomb that come. I like when glitters are matted. I know I've been seeing some, trends on Instagram. I was like, these nails really look pretty when they're matte. So that's what I did today. So I added some clear glitter, clear acrylic, and laid the the, the neon yellow glitters, the fine glitters, and then I did some chunky glitters in there, and then I encapsulate, then I file. I mean, there's not much, you know, that I did in this nail. I also matted these nails. If you guys are not aware on how to mat your nails with just gel polish, gel top coat, go ahead and watch the video that I'm going to post in the iCards and also in the description. It's very down to earth on how to mat your nails without matte top coat. Very easy and very simple. All you'll be needing is your top coat and a buffing block and some acetone with cotton. That's all you'll be needing. But yes, guys, go check it out. Very interesting video, very informative. So go check it out. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm not going to pressure you guys into subscribing to my channel. I give you guys time to do so, okay? So yes, guys, subscribe, tap the bell just beside the subscribe button so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week. I don't have a time to posting, so ensure the bell turn on, okay? And also follow me on Instagram at Bare Beauty Services. I post on my Instagram. You get updates that I'm just posted a video on her channel. So I decided, because the color was so botched, it was shown up. It was shown up in my arm in the camera. So I decided that, okay, alright, I have to cover these nails, especially in the large areas, and I was like, okay, I have to cover up these nails. The umber nails weren't such, so bad, but these negative nails were not so great. So I decided to put some foil over it, some foil art over it, and then I blinged out the nails, and they were looking bomb afterwards. So yeah, at the end of the day, an ugly set of nails turned out into a pretty set of nails. And the nails that I'll be using is the curved nails. Yeah. So yeah. So if you guys do like what I post, once again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. And also follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
fighter.
Lighting inspired. Fight.